Hi guys, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to use templates in CupCut PC and laptop. Let's get started. Templates are predestined video editing layouts that simply creating visually appealing videos. They're ideal for beginners or users looking for quick, professional-looking edits without starting from scratch. To use the templates in CupCut, you need to use your browser as the CupCut app doesn't have yet the templates feature. So let's just open a browser on our computer. Next, search for the CupCut website and open it. What you're going to do here is to look for the CupCut online and click it. Next, you can try to sign in with your CupCut account to save the edit that you're going to do. The templates feature is located here on the left side. You can try to find the template that you want and click it. Next, click on the Edit template. Now you can replace the clips on the template with your video clips. Do this to all the clips on the template and preview it if it suits your taste. Now, that's basically how to use templates in CupCut using your PC. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. Thank you so much!